if your brain becomes louder the moment the lights go off. This video is about you. You're not lazy, you're not weak, and you're definitely not broken. Your brain is doing something very specific, and tonight, you'll finally understand it. Have you noticed this? During the day, you feel okay, but at night, one small thought becomes 10. 10 become memories. Memories become regret. And suddenly, it's 3 a.m. Why does this happen only at night? Stay with me, because the answer will change how you see your mind forever. Picture this. You're lying in bed, phone face down, room quiet. And then your brain says, "Did I say the wrong thing today? What if my future doesn't work out? Why am I like this?" Your heart feels heavy, your chest feels tight, and sleep feels impossible. If this feels personal, that's because it is. Millions of people experience this, but no one explains why. Here's what psychology tells us. During the day, your brain is busy reacting. Noise, people, and tasks distract your thoughts. But at night, distractions disappear. Your mind finally turns inward. And here's the key. Your emotional brain becomes active while your logical brain becomes tired. So instead of solving problems, your brain replays fears. That's why small problems feel massive. Old memories feel painful. The future feels uncertain. Your brain isn't thinking clearly. It's surviving. Your mind is not attacking you. It's trying to protect you. The wrong way. Your brain has one main job: keep you alive. At night, when everything is quiet, your brain scans for threats. But here's the problem. There are no real threats in your bedroom, so your brain creates mental threats. What if I fail? What if I disappoint people? What if I never become who I want to be? This creates a loop. Thought, fear, memory, regret, more thoughts. And the loop doesn't stop, because your brain thinks thinking equals safety. Here's something no one tells you. Overthinking people are usually sensitive, self-aware. Emotionally deep, you care. That's why your mind doesn't shut off easily. But instead of giving you peace, your brain gives you pressure. And slowly, night becomes lonely, heavy, mentally exhausting. You're tired, but your brain refuses to rest. Overthinking is not intelligence, it's unresolved emotion. Let me say this clearly. Overthinking at night does not mean you're behind in life, you're failing, you're weak. It means your mind hasn't been taught how to rest, and your emotions haven't been released. Your brain is overloaded, not broken. Let's talk about something real. You don't need motivation. You don't need positive quotes. You need mental release. Here's one powerful habit. Before bed, write down everything that's bothering you. No fixing, no judging. Just empty your mind onto paper. This tells your brain, I won't forget this. I can rest now. Also, lower lights 30 minutes before sleep. Avoid emotional content late at night. Breathe slowly, not deeply. Peace comes from slowing the nervous system. Next time your brain overthinks at night, don't fight it. Instead, say, I hear you. We'll deal with this tomorrow, because night is for rest, not decisions. Clarity comes in the morning, not at 2 a.m. If no one has told you this before, let me be the one. You are not behind. You are not alone. And your thoughts don't define your future. You are allowed to rest, even if your life isn't perfect yet. If this video made you feel understood, please like it. Not for the algorithm, but so YouTube shows it to someone who's awake right now, fighting their thoughts alone. And subscribe if you overthink, you feel deeply, and you want calm, not chaos. This channel is a safe space for minds that never stop thinking. Tonight, when your thoughts get loud, remember, your mind is tired and it deserves rest. Good night.